Oh yeah, that comes out easy, huh? Is there more in it? Do we need to scrape it?
Nope.
Yeah, let's scrape it a little bit here. Let's get all that good butter. Are you a little messy? You want a tissue? We're right by them, so here you go.
These cookies are gonna be good. They will be.
2. All right, Connor. It's coming up on your turn.
That's gonna mix it. I'm gonna turn it off for a minute. Can you hold that?
Maybe not. That's pretty good. Okay, now you're gonna hold it here. Take that, and I'll use my spoon to scrape it off. Okay? And then Connor's gonna do a big spoonful. Ready, Connor?
Great. And then after that we lick the spoon.
Good job. Okay, Connor, put it here. Yeah, after we're all done though. Okay, we're gonna do in there. Okay. 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 Hold the spoon.